So we are going to use KVL, KCL and Ohm's law to solve a circuit value. So over here we have some V source, over here we have a resistor which is 10 ohms, and there is IX flowing through it, and there is this Vx. Over here we have a dependent source which is of 0.5 Ix, and then over here we have another resistor which is of 15 ohms, which has 15 volts across it, and which is of 5 ohms, and we need to find the value Vs. So let this current be Iy. So by Vy, V is equal to Iy times R, we get 15 is equal to Iy times 5, so we get Iy is 3 amperes. Now we use KCL. We use KCL around at this whole node. So using KCL, we get Ix, this current flowing in, plus 0.5 Ix, this current flowing in, which will be equal to Iy, this current flowing out. Now we put in the value of Iy as 3, so we get Ix plus Ix upon 2 equals 3, so we get Ix will be equal to 2 amps. But remember, the main goal is to find the Vs. Now what we can do is we can do the KVL around the big loop. So doing the KVL around the big loop, we get negative Vs since we are entering the negative side, then we get positive Vx since we are entering the positive side, and then we get positive 15 is equal to 0. Now what is Vx? We use Ohm's law. Vx is equal to Ix times R to find Vx, which is 2, the value we just found over here, and 10 ohms resistor, which is 20 volts. So Vs is equal to 20 plus 15, which is 35 volts.